Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be opening one box of Upper Deck the Cup. Pretty much what we're looking for here is a Jack Hughes, Quinn Hughes, or Cal McCurr RPA, and in this you really want the out of 99. It's the true rookie, so we should have about 5 or 6 cards in this box. But let's get right into the video. Get right into this video here. I think you're guaranteed about 5 cards here. Let me read off the box here. So what we're guaranteed is, for this 2020 The Cup, is, it really doesn't say here. However, I do see that they're limiting people. But here's what the box looks like. 2019-20 Upper Deck the Cup Hockey. Here we have finally gotten this open. It's a really hard product to open here. Alright. We're going to flip it upside down for you guys. The funny thing about these is they are very difficult to open because of all the wrapping that they're in. I'm gonna hold it like this for you guys so we only see the first card. And here we are. We are starting off with a Miro Heiskanen. Miro's actually a really good player. He's just a defender. Next we have a 249 Barrett Hayton rookie patch auto. Next we have a redemption numbered to 24. I'm gonna save that for last. Next up we have a Mitchell Stevens to 36 rookie on-card auto. After that we have a Dmytro Timashov numbered to 249 rookie card. And last card before the redemption is a numbered to 99 Victor Arvidsson Signature Materials set of 3 color patch auto. Alright, let's get right into this last redemption card here. I did see that it was numbered to 24, I think. Here we go. Autograph rookie gear, numbered to 24. Igor Shesterkin. Big hit. Oh my. Numbered to 24. Rookie gear. Also, I think that's autographed. I'm not positive on that, but oh wow. What a big card. Well, let's do a little recap for you guys. You saw the Victor. You saw the Igor. You got a Barrett Hayton rookie patch auto. He's a center, which is always good. You don't really want defenders. Victor Arvidsson, numbered to 99 for the Predators. Dmytro Timashov, left wing, numbered to 249. Mitchell Stevens, another center, numbered to 36 on-card rookie auto. And a Miro Heiskanen base card, numbered to 249. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.